How bond markets are trading now. Jonathan Sheridan from FIIG Securities joining us. Jonathan, good afternoon to you. Now, Treasuries are still falling, those yields rising, this steepening yield curve. What sort of activity are you seeing across the bond market?
Yes, good afternoon, Leanne. That's right. The post-election sell-off continues, albeit at a bit of a slower pace. To be honest, we've been positioning our US dollar portfolios in particular into a more credit-driven environment as opposed to an interest rate-driven environment. So we're actually seeing the credits that we trade and that our clients own actually hold up much better than the interest rate markets and actually outperform. So, for example, we've been buying a relatively long bond from Dell, the 2028 maturity, which has performed about 80% better than the equivalent US Treasury, so only selling off by about $1 as opposed to $5.
Now, some banking activity as well that you've been looking at in terms of those local bonds. Bendigo Bank doing a new 3-year senior. Tell us a little more about what you're seeing in this, banking activity.
Yeah, that's right. Bendigo, not such a frequent issuer as the major banks, but they have announced a new 3.25-year bond that they'll be looking to price in the next day or so, a senior unsecured. But, typically in our banking sector, our banks are very strong, even the second-tier regionals. So probably looking at just sort of a low 3.25% yield for that 3-year senior from Bendigo.
All right, fantastic, Jonathan. We'll have to cut it off there, but really appreciate you joining us this afternoon. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Leanne.
Jonathan Sheridan there from FIIG Securities. A quick final